SwissWatchExpo.com. Maybe you're in the mood to get out and get away. So many of us been locked up over the past year, and maybe you want a scene and escape just like this at a beautiful beach away, but you don't want to get necessarily a watch that is big and clunky and heavy, but you want a sports watch from Rolex. These are the 36 millimeter turnographs. This one I find particularly gorgeous. It's got that beautiful blue dial, the Roman numerals. They haven't made this watch since the very early 2000s. This watch is in pristine condition. It does have the oyster bracelet, as does this one. This one has the polished center, 2 turnographs, 2 different generations, but just gorgeous. This one has the white gold, and as does this one on the bezel. The actual bezel is white gold, I should say. White dial here, blue dial here. Gorgeous watches. Obviously, if you want something that's sport designed but not over the top, these are just excellent pieces to have. This one is a little bit lighter weight than this one. If you have questions about it, give us a call here at SwissWatchExpo.com. Pick up a turnograph to take on your next adventure.